Alright everybody, so we're going to do a quick unboxing video from the second trip to Lowe's. Today is December 27th, 2019. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys there. Alright, so we're going to unbox the 4-pack of the Jorgensen clamps, steel bar clamps first. Pop these zip ties real quick. Lean it over, pop open the hinge. There's the 12. Here's the other 12. Here's the 2 6s. Here's a 6. 2 3 6s right here. These 3 6s are still zip tied. Looks like kind of the zip tie just slipped off of them or something. The 6-pack of 6s is item number 190101. And the item number for the 4-pack, the 2 6s and the 2 12 inches bar clamps, is 93700. Try to make these a little nicer. So the item number on the 10-piece kit, jigsaw blade T-shank kit, they're about $1 a piece, a little over $1 a piece, I think $1.08 or something like that, is Tony 5002 2607 010 800. Let's see, where is that? There you go. So just pop the tape on both sides and it will fold open. And then you could just slide this out. Put the tray back in. More than likely going to put these in the bigger 18-piece kit if there's room to just shove them in there. And then there's a little push pin right here. Just pop that off. It's still stuck. There. Maybe it's unstuck. Yeah, there it goes. It's a nice little safety device. Now there's a couple more slots in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more slots. So I might be able to put some more in here. got this little plastic tray right here. I probably could have put more in this pack if this tray wasn't necessarily here. But that's what I picked up. This is item, and it also auto locks, so it's spring loaded by the plastic hinge, so you just pop it closed. Item number on this one is T as in Tony, 18, C as in Charlie, 2610041 I picked this up. I don't have a jigsaw yet. I'm still looking at which brand I would like to get. I was looking at the DeWalt 20 volts as well as the Milwaukee 18 volt. If anybody has a suggestion on, you know, what cordless model jigsaw that they like, please leave your comments down below. I would appreciate the feedback. I did pick these up because they were on sale. $19 for this 18-piece kit and $10 for this one. Might as well pick up the blades. At least I have them. That way when I get the tool, I automatically have the blades available to me. Gonna put the other couple 6s, and I'm just gonna leave the 12s right here. I appreciate your guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. That was just a quick little unboxing. And please go check out my Amazon affiliate links if you guys, you know, need to buy anything. You know, it doesn't cost you anything to use my links. It helps me out, helps me buy things like this to do demonstrations and reviews and stuff like that on. And again, thank you for your time, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.